Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. For this video, ang lesson pa rin natin ay integral calculus. After knowing the 4 basic integration rules, ay magsasagot tayo ng mga integrals ng algebraic functions. Ang ating problem number 3 is, what is the integral of the square root of x with respect to x? Before we continue, please like, follow, and subscribe to my social media accounts. Again, ang ating problem number 3 ay, what is the integral of square root of x with respect to x? Question, pwede ba agad natin gamitan ng basic integration rule ito? The answer is no. Ang dapat natin gawin ay, i-convert muna natin yung radical symbol into fractional exponent. Ang square root symbol ay katumbas ng exponent na 1/2. Question, pwede na ba itong gamitan ng power rule? The answer is yes. Dahil ang power rule natin ay, ang exception lang doon is kapag ang exponent ay -1. So pwede ang mga fractional exponent. So dahil ito ay pwede nang gamitan ng power rule, ang magiging integral nito ay x raised to 1/2 plus 1 over 1/2 plus 1 then plus arbitrary constant. Now, i-simplify na natin itong expression na to. Ito ay magiging x raised to 3/2 over 3/2. Dahil ang 1/2 plus 1 is equal to 3 over 2. Then plus c. So ito ay pwede pa natin i-simplify. Ito ay division of fraction. Yung x raised to 3/2 ay i-multiply natin sa reciprocal ng 3/2. Kaya magiging x raised to 3/2 times 2 over 3 plus c. And then, etong x raised to 3/2, i-multiply natin sa 2. Kaya ang answer natin dyan ay 2x raised to 3/2 over 3 plus c. And then, pwede rin natin ilabas yung 2/3 as coefficient. And then, ibalik natin sa radical symbol yung 3/2. Yung 3/2 ay magiging square root of x cubed. So, pwede rin natin final answer here is 2/3 times the square root of x cubed plus c.